Hello, and welcome to week 9 in your online general psychology class. This week we are covering chapter 7, which is over memory. And what I love about this chapter is not only will you learn about the theory behind how our memory works and the process, and even some memory devices and techniques, it's also one of those chapters that can be extremely applicable to your own life. So we all have preferred ways of learning. We talked about learning last week. Now we're into memory. Our brains all have a preferred way of encoding and that storage to hold our long-term memories. So I hope this chapter helps you to explore memory overall as a theoretical basis, but more specifically to your own way of holding memories and your brain preferences there. So let's take a look at this week's module. You have a connect assignment over matching, which is over the serial position effect, and then your chapter 7 quiz. So just one connect assignment and chapter 7 quiz. It is a light week in terms of what's due for the chapter. There's no writing assignments. And the reason for that is because your midterm exam is due October 30th. So that's a midweek, that's a Wednesday. So please note that the day before Halloween. So as soon as you wrap up chapter 7, you can go on and start taking your midterm exam because it covers chapters 1 through 7. So 2 regular assignments, the Connect assignment and the quiz, plus your midterm exam that's not due on Sunday, it's due the following Wednesday, but you want to get a jump on that. The best way to prepare for the midterm exam, and I've discussed this a little bit previously, but I'll go over it again, is to go over here to your McGraw-Hill Connect. And I'm not going to show you the slides because everybody's grades will pop up, and that's not what I can do. But you'll go back to McGraw-Hill Connect here, which I normally don't want you to navigate unless you're looking for your textbook, because I want you to navigate to assignments within the module. But over here, and then go to our course, and then kind of go back and review the quizzes that way. You'll need to do it over here. If you try to go back and review the quizzes through the module, Canvas is going to read it as you're wanting to take that again, and it won't allow access to do that, so or to review it. So make sure that you're using here to go back and review. So use your notes. For studying, use your quizzes that you've already taken, and you'll be well prepared. So it's really just like a long chapter quiz that you take every week because it is questions from chapters 1 through 7. Have an awesome week. Keep up the good work. Once you take that midterm, like we are over the hump of the midterm, and you are sailing into those last few weeks of class. So keep up the excellent work that you're doing.